Next one up, Husqvarna Svartpilen 701. This is a returning client. He has recently purchased this about 6 weeks ago, 6 to 8 weeks ago, but he's been meaning to get it to me, but he hasn't had time, so it's looking a little sad for itself. We're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets. I'll get those belly pans off, we'll get all that exhaust all minted up. It's got loads of burnt on tar on that exhaust box down there. Get all that shock all cleaned up. These spokes, each and every single one of those will need a good scrub. See all that disc is just starting to rust. Chain is looking very sad for itself, so we'll degrease all that old crap off of there, blow dry it, get it all lubed back up. It's going a bit rusty in places. So we've got our work cut out for us with this one. All that burnt on tar stuff in there. Enough of my jibber jabber. Let's work a little chop magic. This is going to be one of our legendary full Monty valets. Should be able to do this in 2 hours. Wish me luck. Let's see what we can do. Those belly pan pieces so we can get to this collector box. Got loads of tar and grit all stuck to it, so we'll get all that clean so I can polish that up before we apply the XCP. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This trick little Husky 701 has been trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. Full Snowfoam safe wash to loosen up any contaminants. Degreased every single spoke, nut and bolt on this bike has been meticulously cleaned. Everything had been blow dried afterwards, making sure to remove any moisture from your switch gear, electronics, your rad. And then we misted everything with XCP, as this is a commuter. He's got loads of protection on it now. All your nuts, bolts, engine, swing arm, suspension linkages have all had a nice coating of the XCP clear. We then rub the XCP orange on extra nuts and bolts, which I think might corrode. All up underneath has been misted. We then got down to a bit of detailing. I mirror polished up this exhaust. All your header pipes all been mirror polished. All that burnt on grime that was on the collector box has all been removed. Looking as it should. 2 hours on the dot. Trot full Monty valet. Best in town.